Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our first aid guide right here walking us through some common symptoms and treatments, as well as CPR for adults and for infants. Same information on the backside in multiple languages. Our cold compress followed by 4 splints. You can see our different adhesive strips right here and bandages. So check that out. Multiple sizes, large quantities. We have our gloves, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, our cotton tip applicators. We have some adhesive tape, our alcohol prep pads, and you can see all of our different gauze pads right here in a variety of sizes.